GTI. It's not in the best of nick, it's okay though. But I've got some pretty bad paint blisters on the passenger door. So I'm going to go and get some paint today from a local paint shop and paint it. But to order the paint we need to know what the colour code is. So this is where you find your colour code for your paint. In the boot, and there's a sticker. And it's got lacquer and paint number. There we go. So take that down and get the paint mixed up to that. We'll have a look. So these are the parts I want to paint on the door. Big rust spot there, blister, 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 blister. So I'm going to do the whole at the bottom of this door. First thing I'm going to paint up to the line. So first thing I'm going to do is take off this bit of plastic trim. It just pops off. Dead easy, he says. Oops. So I will paint up to this line, because that's hidden behind the plastic and you won't be able to see the joining the paint then. It should hopefully seem seamless. First thing I'm going to do is just give this all a quick sponge down with some water and then clean it with some white spirit to get any dirt off. I'll give it a little wash. I'm just going to give it a quick wipe down with some white spirit. Okay, the next step is to sand the whole of this bottom door down, especially concentrating on these blister points. I might have to open the door for them. So I'm not doing it by hand, I'm doing it with this Parkside sander. These things are great because you just get these sanding pads which is Velcro onto the front. If you want to know more about this, let me know and I'll do a quick review of it on another page. There you go, stick them on, press the button, that's it. Okay, when you finish sanding, just need to give it a wipe down just to see how it looks, see if you've got all the rust out of it. I'm not convinced that I have at the moment, but we'll see. A bit of white spirit on the cloth, give it a wipe. So, I think that's actually all the rust out of it. Yeah. That's not actually rust, that's just metal. So I'm going to continue and do the rest of the door. Okay, so I've sanded all the rust areas. Like I say, I've done the rest of the door up to this line. That's called keying, so that's to make sure that the paint sticks to it. So I'm going to give it a wipe down with some white spirit and then give it a coat of primer. There we go, it's wiped down. You see there's a flat finish across the whole door. That means it's ready for priming. These aren't rust spots, it's just dark bits of metal. There's no rust actually left on this now. So I'm going to give it a spray of primer. Okay, I'm using just cheap Halford's zinc primer for this. The zinc primer should help stop rust. Give it a good shake. that's not looking too bad. I'm just going to give it a third coat, just to be sure, and then we'll give it another 15 minutes and give it a coat of the blue. Okay, I've given this 3 coats of primer. I think it's looking okay so far. Let it dry and give it a paint. Plan was to let the primer dry and then give it a paint today, but just reading my can, it says leave 24 hours before painting. So I guess I'll do that in another video.